All right, so you've got mushrooms in your lawn. What do you need to do about it? It's so squishy and satisfying. Well, first of all, don't eat them. You should never eat a mushroom unless you are 100% sure and you have verified in multiple ways that it is one that's not going to kill you. But the bigger question is, are mushrooms going to hurt your grass? Well, let's talk about that. Now, this is not a great example here because, well, we don't maintain this lawn besides mowing it every now and then. And we recently have had some construction going on out here that's kind of torn up the grass. So don't take this as a good example for a lawn, but there are mushrooms here. So let's get to it. The real point of this video is you don't really need to do anything if you find mushrooms in your lawn because mushrooms are what we call a saprophytic fungus. More specifically, the mushrooms that you see above the soil are the reproductive bodies of that fungus, which primarily lives underground. But let's get back to that word saprophytic, and what that means is that it feeds on decaying organic material, and it doesn't attack healthy plant materials such as your grass. In fact, having mushrooms in your lawn can be a really good sign that you have a nice, healthy, organic soil. And that fungus that lives underground can actually add beneficial nitrogen to the soil, which will help your grass grow. That's why oftentimes you will see that the grass near where mushrooms are growing is a deeper, darker green than the surrounding grass. So no need to really spray anything or add any type of chemical to your lawn if you have mushrooms in your lawn. If they're bothering you or if you're concerned that a child or a pet could eat them, you could go gather them up and toss them in the trash. Or you could do what I do.